Hi monkeys, hi beavers. So this week you're going to be writing a list about summer things, but we're going to go back and review our list rules. So you can write a list. What is the purpose of our list? Our purpose of the list is to help you remember or categorize things, put things in order. You need a topic of interest, like a topic like here, the groceries, like things you need from the supermarket, or the zoo animals you have seen in the zoo, or things to do in the morning. So you always have to have a title of your list. And then things to keep track of or to remember, things that you need to remember in your list, or you saw, or you want. All right? Your list always have to have bullet points or a symbol, or it can be numbered like 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. And your list always have to be in words and short phrases. Words is one word. Short phrases means like red button, black shoes, blue comb. Only short and sweet, okay? So this week we're going to be writing in a bucket because summer is coming and you need your summer bucket list, okay? So I want you to either print this, you have it on our page, and if you can't print it, it's totally fine. You can draw it because we have super artists, or you can use your journal for writing also, all right? Your job is to write 3 lists. Places I want to go. Where do you want to go during the summer? Things I want to do with my family. So what are the things that you want to do with your family? And a list of my beach toys. All of your beach toys. You can write a list up to 12 things, but minimum 5. I want you to write minimum at least 5 of these 3 things. I know you can do an awesome job. I'm super proud of you. I cannot wait to see all of your work. Have a good day.